Hi guys. Hi guys and welcome back to class. Today I want you guys to look at the same painting that we were looking at yesterday. Again, the link will be inside of Schoology. And I want you guys to describe the representation of the figure's bodies. So in other words, I want you guys to describe the way the bodies are drawn onto the painting. For this lesson, our focusing question is, what defines the experience of love? Our content framing question in lesson 14 in our reveal stage says, what does a deeper exploration of arguments about love reveal? You guys are going to take your new read assessment using handout 14A. Your new read assessment will be inside of Schoology as well for you. Now I want you guys to look at the opening paragraph. What was the Guardian's purpose in having these experts talk about love? The article is not meant to offer a comprehensive argument, and each author's ideas are presented briefly. The 5 authors are making claims about love. Remember the importance of evidence when forming a claim. So in the article, I want you guys to underline Jojo Moyes' claim about love. Then ask yourself, what evidence does Jojo Moyes use to support her claim? And how does this lack of evidence affect your understanding of Moyes' claim? Do you agree or disagree with her claim about love? For homework, you will use evidence from A Midsummer Night's Dream to add support to Moyes' claim. Now looking back at the birthday painting, I want you to ask yourself, how does the author use lines to attract our attention or draw our eye? You can use some of these sentence stems to answer this question. How does the author use shape to guide the eye? Use these sentence stems. And how does the artist use color to express his ideas or convey a mood? You can use these sentence stems to answer that question. Now let's look at the painting as a whole. What does the painting convey about how love affects the human body, and what connections can you make to Helen Fisher's argument about the relationship between love and the body? To end this lesson, in our content framing question in our reveal stage, it says, what does a deeper exploration of arguments about love reveal? For your exit ticket, which theory of love in What is Love? 5 Theories on the Greatest Emotion of All did you find most interesting and why? For homework, I want you to find 2 pieces of evidence from A Midsummer Night's Dream that could be used to support Jojo Moyes' claim and What is Love? 5 Theories on the Greatest Emotion of All. Now on to our vocabulary deep dive. So we're going to look at this illustration or information about the March of Progress. So you'll have this link inside of Schoology. What do you notice and wonder about the illustration? This illustration is titled March of Progress and depicts the theory of human evolution as scientists understood it in 1965. Human evolution is the name of the very long process of humans adapting to their environment to evolve from their ape-like predecessors. So I want you guys to write this definition into your journals, the meaning of the word evolution, which is a noun. And I want us to look at vul, which means roll. How does the meaning of vul relate to the illustration and to the word evolution? What do you think evolution means based on your understanding of vul and the March of Progress? Now, evolution doesn't only relate to people. It can also relate to items. For example, technology has evolved over time. Cell phones have evolved. We used to have big bricks that looked like cell phones, and then we had flip phones, and then now we have what we have today. And the technology has gotten better and better. They always update the cameras on cell phones. So that's evolution. Architecture has evolved. Food, transportation, communication, and so many other things have evolved. Now I want you guys to look at paragraph 3 in the article Love on the Mind from the Brain. Romantic love is basically an addiction, and underline the word evolution. Complete a 3-2-1 exit ticket with the definition that applies to evolution in the context of the article. Two clues that helped you define or decide the definition, and 3 other words that share the root vowel. To end today's lesson, I want you guys to draw at least 3 stages of evolution of love in your vocabulary journals under your entries of evolution. All right, guys, that's going to be it for today's lesson. Again, if you guys need any help and need anything, come to office hours Monday through Friday, 11:22 to 12:06 p.m. I'll see you then. Bye-bye.